I wonder, my dear, you want to know how to make stewed chicken from scratch. I'm actually making stewed chicken. So I didn't get to record the prep work, cutting up the chicken. I'll just tell you real quick. I washed the chicken thoroughly. I cut them up real small. I season it with seasoning salt, black pepper, paprika, scallions, onion, thyme, garlic, and a little gravy master. I want to know what's gravy master. This is gravy master. It's really good. It gives it a really nice flavor, and it's really good with when you're making like brown stew chicken. So that's what gives it that nice brown in there. Well, the pot is steaming up, so okay. And black pepper. And so you stir the whole thing together, mix it up really good. You can put a glove on and mix it with your hand, or you could take a spoon like I did and just mix it up with the spoon. And then you put it in the pot, no water or nothing. You know, you put it in the pot, have the flame like medium, okay, and just let it come to a cook. And you're gonna stir periodically. You're gonna stir it. Oh, it's sparking up. You're gonna stir periodically the pot, okay. Leave it open for a little bit and just keep stirring periodically. And then you're gonna cover it, turn the flame down, and let it simmer and cook. It takes like an hour and 15 minutes, you know, to like slow cook, to like an hour and 20 minutes, okay? When it's like almost halfway, I'm gonna cut up like potatoes and carrots and put in there. In this one, I'm gonna also put butter beans. In this one, I'm gonna put butter beans. Oops, girl. And this is the butter bean. I'm using the Grace butter beans. Alright, so that's it. Quick tutorial on brown stew chicken. Any other question, you can call me, but I think I pretty much covered everything here just now. Alright, I had it in a smaller pot, and I just transferred, oh shit, I had it in a smaller pot, this one, and I transferred over to the bigger pot. Alrighty, hope your chicken come out good. Let me see the finishing look of yours, and I'll show you the finishing look of mine. Over and out. The finished look. With yellow rice and beans. Oh, I forgot the plantain, so I just put it in the plate.